Good afternoon. Okay. In our 9th class third lesson, we discussed about the animal tissues. Okay, now what we discussed about animal tissues. Already we learned the tissues about the plants. Mana plants gurinchi next. Today we are going to observe the animal tissue lively. Okay, now mana idoju animal tissue ni lively. And we know that there are 4 types of animal tissues are there. Ana? Any types of tissues are there? 4 types of tissues are there. So one is epithelial tissue. Second one is connective tissues. And the third one is muscular tissues. And fourth one is nervous tissues. Okay? The epithelial tissue, it covers the outer surface of the animals. It is nothing but it mainly forms the skin. Okay, na? Our skin is made up of epithelial tissue. Our skin is formed in the epithelial tissue. So next, so epithelial tissue. This is totally epithelial tissue. Okay, na? Ikkada skin kanipistundi kada? Epithelial tissue. Mainly epithelial tissue also classified into another 4 types. Ana? Epithelial tissue lo kuda manaku inkoka 4 types unnai. One is stratified tissue, one is squamous tissue, one is columnar tissue, and another one is cuboidal tissue. Okay, na? So the skin is made up of squamous tissue, stratified tissue. Manaku skin anedi దీంతో stratified epithelial tissue తోటి ఫామ్ అవడం జరిగింది. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ you are observing. This is formed with the epithelial tissue. Okay na? Epithelial tissue toti form avadam jarigindi. Okay na? And the next one is connective tissues. Connective tissues several types are there. Ana? Connective tissue lo chaala types unnai. So that name denotes the connective means it is joining. Connective means this tissue is joining. So in connective tissue several types of tissues are there. So in those tissues, areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and bone, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and blood. Blood also one of the connective tissues. So today we will observe some connective tissues. Okay, మనం కొన్ని connective tissues చూద్దాం. Bone also one of the connective tissue. Already we seen. And cartilage also one of the what is that connective tissue. మన cartilage కూడా ఒక connective tissue. So and connective tissue చూడండి. టేబుల్ వైట్ కలర్ కనిపిస్తుంది ఈ బోన్ ఇక్కడే మనకు బోన్ ఉంది అండ్ కార్టిలేజ్ కూడా ఉంది. కార్టిలేజ్ అంటే మెత్తటి ఎముక ఉంది కదా, ఈ మెత్తటి ఎముకని మనం కార్టిలేజ్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? కార్టిలేజ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? we can find cartilage bone between the joints and tip of nose, in ears, in throat. Okay, we can find the cartilage bone and tip of ribs also. మనకు బోన్ టిప్స్ లలో మనకి ఎక్కువగా ఏంటి కార్టిలేజ్ టిష్యూ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? అండ్ ద హార్డెస్ట్ కనెక్టివ్ టిష్యూ ఇస్ బోన్. ఓకేనా? బోన్ పార్ట్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఇది హార్డెస్ట్ అండ్ ఇట్ గివ్స్ ది స్ట్రక్చర్ టు ఎనిమల్స్. బోన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? మనకు బేసిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? These bones connected with another bone with the help of ligaments. Ligaments are also one type of connective tissue. And muscles, they connected with the bones with the help of tendons. Tendons are also one type of connective tissue. with the help of muscles and tendons we can move bones as we want. మనకు ఎలా కావాలా బోన్స్ ఎలా కలగలుగుతున్నా with the help of muscles and tendons. muscles and tendons తోటి మనకు బోన్స్ ఎలా కావాలా we are able to move. Okay, so now we will look at tendons. If we dissect the leg of animals, we can see some white color thread structures. Okay na? The white color thread structures can stay. These are the tendons. White color thread structures are there. These are the tendons. With the help of tendons and muscles, animals can move their body or bones. Okay na? So this is the major tendon. Okay na? With this help of this tendon, this animal, this bird, it moves all fingers of its leg. Can you see that? Can you see the movement in the leg? If we pull this tendon, all fingers moves at a time. Is it okay? Can you see that? Without tendons, muscles, we can't move. Okay na? If we cut this tendon, it can't walk. మనం ఈ టెండన్ కట్ చేసి ఏమవుతుంది ఇంకా వాక్ చేయలేదు. ఓకేనా? రైట్. అండ్ దేర్ ఆర్ individual tendons for each finger. Okay na? With that tendon we can move all fingers at a time. And we have in the help of another tendon only this finger is moving. Right? Middle finger is moving. ఇంతకుముందు మనం ఏం చేసాం all fingers at a time. అవునా? With this tendon we can move with this tendon we can move only one finger. Okay? With this tendon we can move this finger. Yes? With this tendon we can move this finger. With this tendon we can move this finger. And with it we can move this finger individually. Okay na? So this is a bunch of tendons. These bunch of tendons, with the help of this bunch of tendons, it can move individual fingers. Okay? So tendons we can see as thread-like structures. White thread-like structures are tendons. Tendons connect the muscles with the bones. Okay na? Tendons ఏం చేస్తాయి?
Bones.
Muscles ని bones తో కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? మన bones ని మనం ఎలా మూవ్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాం? With the help of muscles and tendons. ఓకేనా?